Variability, Heritability and Genetic Advanced Analysis in Bred Wheat, Triticum Aestivum L, Genotypes in Northwestern Ethiopia. This article is written by two authors. First author Miskin Al-Farid. Second author Fisawa Ureid. Contribution and originality of the study is that, this study is one of very few studies which have investigated the magnitude of genetic advance of grain yield and yield-related traits in bred wheat released varieties in Ethiopia. This study documents is vital to plant breeders to consider the non-significant steady increment of grain yield in bred wheat released varieties over 18 years. Studies on degree of genetic advance as well as rate of genetic progress in grain yield and yield-associated traits in bred wheat genotypes over years are limited. Therefore, this study was initiated to explore genetic advance and rate of genetic progress over years in bred wheat breeding program. 12 bred wheat genotypes released in between 1995 to 2012 were used as experimental treatments. The experimental treatments were laid out on randomized complete block design with 3 replications across locations over years. The study was conducted at Adet, Dabradabur, Fenitzlam, Injabara and Samata in 2014 and 2015 cropping seasons. The traits grain yield, biological yield, spike length, number of seeds per spike and 1000 seed weight showed medium genetic and phenotypic variation, higher heritability and medium genetic advance to the mean of the population, whereas days to physiological maturity, plant height, and test weight showed negligible in both genotypic and phenotypic variation, higher heritability and negligible genetic advance to the mean of the population. In the genetic advance analysis over years, only 1000 seed weight showed positive significant increment, while grain yield, biological yield, days to physiological maturity, plant height and test weight showed positive non-significant increment. Meanwhile, spike length and number of seeds per spike showed negative non-significant decrement over 18 years. Therefore, breeders should be considered the yield-related traits to bring the desired genetic enhancement as well as to develop demanded genotypes in the future bred wheat breeding investigations. Thanks for watching this video of International Journal of Sustainable Agricultural Research Volume 7 Issue Number 2.